Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. In this video,
Using the verb to be and another verb in a sentence. Practice. It's important. It's important. It's important for me. It's important for me. It isn't important. It isn't important. It doesn't important for me. It doesn't important for me. Is it important for you? Is it important for you? Does it important for you? Does it important for you? It's effective. It's effective. It seems effective. It seems effective. It isn't effective. It isn't effective. It doesn't seem effective. It doesn't seem effective. Is it effective? Is it effective? Does it seem effective? Does it seem effective? Where are they? Where are they? Where do they live? Where do they live? Why do they think so? Why do they think so? Why is it so? Why is it so? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Is it correct? Is it correct? Is it right? Is it right? It's possible. It's possible. It seems possible. It seems possible. Is it possible? Is it possible? Is it really possible? Is it really possible? It looks like. It looks like. It looks so. It looks so. It looks effective. It looks effective. Is it effective? Is it effective? Is it look effective? Is it look effective? We study in one group. We study in one group. We're in one group. We're in one group. We don't study in one group. We don't study in one group. We aren't in one group. We aren't in one group. Do we study in one group? Do we study in one group? Are we in one group? Are we in one group? Why do we study in one group? Why do we study in one group? They work in the same company. They work in the same company. They're in the same company. They're in the same company. They don't work in the same company. They don't work in the same company. They aren't in the same company. They aren't in the same company. Do they work in the same company? Do they work in the same company? Are they in the same company? Are they in the same company? Why do they work in the same company? Why do they work in the same company? He's a student. He's a student. He isn't a student. He isn't a student. He doesn't study. He doesn't study. Is he a student? Is he a student? Does he study? Does he study? He's a worker. He's a worker. He does work. He does work. He isn't a worker. He isn't a worker. He doesn't do work. He doesn't do work. Is he a worker? Is he a worker? Does he do work? Does he do work? She's a businesswoman. She's a businesswoman. She does business. She does business. She isn't a businesswoman. She isn't a businesswoman. She doesn't do business. She doesn't do business. Is she a businesswoman? Is she a businesswoman? Does she do business? Does she do business?
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say see you soon for another video.